Chaetogaster Chaetid's genus belongs to the segmented worms Annelida. It is placed in the family Natidae, subfamily Natinae, and in the order Oligochaeta. These are 2 to 25 millimeters long, transparent, and very common in fresh water, and form chains of individuals through asexual multiplication. Morphology: they carry seta bristles only on their ventral side, which gives them their name. The size of the worms and of their seta is very variable even within single species. Feeding mode and habitat: mostly found in stagnant or flowing fresh water, and the largest species, Chaetogaster diaphanus, also lives in brackish water. They feed by sucking in small organisms of adequate size. Lumnae selects organisms of 0.03 to 0.3 millimeters size, which are mainly algae diatoms and green algae or very small zooplankton. All species are therefore omnivores. Physiologically, the Chaetogaster species have already long been known as invertebrates with acid stomach content. Just like vertebrates, reproduction: they normally reproduce asexually. They thereby form characteristic chains of 2 or 3 worms that come into being through a form of budding. These chains produce new individuals through division paratomy, which have, because of the asexual multiplication, the same genetic blueprint as the original worm. The worms switch to sexual reproduction during difficult times like the winter. The subspecies Chaetogaster lumnae then leaves its host in late summer or autumn. Lives asexually, reproduces freely in the water for some time, and then in spring attaches itself to new snail hosts